How to make a playlist on Spotify. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can make a playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to make a playlist on Spotify, all you have to do is just open the Spotify application here. Then tap the library option from the bottom right of the screen. And then all you have to do from here is tap the plus icon located at the top right hand side. Then just go to this option here known as playlist. So you can tap the playlist option. Just make sure to give your playlist a name and then tap the create option and your playlist will get successfully created. Now you can add songs to the playlist by tapping on add to this playlist option, selecting the songs that you want to add here, or you can search for them manually as well. And this way you can create a playlist on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.